Hello there, and welcome to My Collage Art Studio. In this Getting Started video, we'll explore how to mix and match collage papers and templates from different collage art kits. This is a design element we intentionally built into our printable kits, allowing you to print mandala, floral, and animal templates onto any of the collage papers in our collection, opening up endless creative possibilities as you create. Before I show you how to do this, which is easy to do using your home printer, let's take a look at a few examples. There are two ways to think about mixing and matching. First, you can choose any black and white shapes template from the mandala, floral, or animal kits. Then change the palette by printing collage papers from other kits directly on top of it. This way, you can explore your favorite templates using a number of different palettes. Or you can choose one paper palette, for example, Jeweled Leaves palette, and use it to create mandalas, florals, and animals, all with the same collage papers. This lets you build a harmonious collection of collages that look beautiful displayed together. Now let's take a look at the process. It's simple. First, you print out your shapes template, then place the sheet back into your printer. Next, choose the collage papers you want. And instead of printing it on white paper, you'll print directly on top of the template. And that's it. One thing I'd like to point out is that all the black and white templates, except for the arranged mandala, are set up to print on quarter sheets. So you'll want to use quarter sheets for the mandala shapes, floral shapes and bases, and animal shapes. For the black and white mandala template, you'll use a full sheet. Now, this isn't a hard and fast rule. You can experiment any way you'd like. It can be really interesting to print your black and white mandala template on a quarter sheet, a half sheet, or even a sampler page. Have fun exploring, mixing, and matching. Thank you so much for joining me.